Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your first tax return. First, confirm if you are required to file based on your income and circumstances. Next, collect all necessary financial documents, such as your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income. Finally, decide on your correct filing status, which impacts your deductions and credits. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth filing process. Once your documents are ready, you'll need to choose how to file. You can use tax software, hire a tax professional, or complete paper forms manually. Many free filing options are available if your adjusted gross income is below a specific amount. Electronic filing, or e-filing, is generally faster and reduces errors compared to mailing a paper return. Select the method that best suits your comfort level and financial situation. Now, let's talk about saving money. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Common deductions might include student loan interest or contributions to an IRA. Credits could be for education expenses or child care. It's important to understand which ones apply to you. Maintaining good records of all your expenses and income is key to claiming everything you're entitled to. Before submitting, take the time to thoroughly review your completed tax return. Check for any mistakes in your personal information, income figures, and claim deductions or credits. An error could delay your refund or lead to issues with the IRS. Once you are confident everything is accurate, submit your return by the deadline, typically April 15th, to avoid any late filing penalties. Congratulations, you've filed your first tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.